everyone, and welcome to the Learn English podcast. I'm Jessica, your English teacher and friend.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm learning English just like you.
Today's episode is called Everyday English You Need to Know. It's perfect for beginners, people who are just starting their English journey.
That's right. If you want to speak English in daily life, at school, at work, or when you travel, this episode will really help you.
Exactly. We'll learn some simple and useful phrases that English speakers use every day. These phrases will make your conversations easy and natural.
So, are you ready?
Let's get started. When you learn English, you open a door to the world. You can talk to more people, understand more things, and explore more places.
Yes, English is everywhere, in music, movies, travel, and jobs.
But to really connect with people, you need to know everyday English phrases. These are short, simple sentences people use all the time.
Like when you ask for help, say thank you, or ask for directions.
Exactly, Alex. If you know these phrases, you can start talking, even if your English is not perfect.
So today we'll learn phrases that help beginners feel more confident.
And remember, this episode is great for students, professionals, and travelers. Anyone who wants to communicate in English better, this is for you. Now, let's talk about why learning everyday phrases is so important.
When I started learning English, I had problems. I didn't know enough words. My grammar was not good, and I was shy to speak.
That's very common, Alex. Many learners feel the same. But do you know what helps?
What helps?
Using everyday phrases. They make speaking easier. You don't have to think about grammar too much. You just remember short sentences you can use anytime.
So phrases are like small tools we can use quickly.
Yes, and when you use them often, your confidence grows. You feel happy when people understand you. Let's start with our first phrase. Could you please repeat that?
Sometimes people speak fast and I don't understand.
That happens a lot, Alex. So you can say, could you please repeat that?
Could you please repeat that?
Perfect. It's polite and people will slow down or say it again for you.
So it's better than just saying, what?
Yes, what can sound rude sometimes, but could you please repeat that? Sounds kind and respectful.
I'll use that next time someone speaks too fast.
Good idea. Practice it until it feels natural. Now, phrase 2. I don't understand. Could you explain that?
That's a good one. Sometimes I don't get what someone means.
Exactly. You can use this in class, at work, or when talking with friends.
Let me try. I don't understand. Could you explain that?
Perfect, Alex. When you say this, it shows you want to learn. People will be happy to help you.
It's polite and shows interest.
Yes, and when you ask nicely, you learn more easily. Phrase 3 is very useful. Where is the...
Like, where is the bathroom? Or where is the bus stop?
Exactly. You can use it anywhere, in airports, hotels, or restaurants.
It's a good travel phrase.
Yes, you can also say, excuse me, where is the nearest bank? Always start with, excuse me. It sounds polite.
I like that. Easy to use and helpful every day.
That's the goal. Easy and natural English. Now, phrase 4. How do you say in English?
I use this one a lot.
That's great, Alex. This phrase helps you learn new words fast. You can ask, how do you say this in English while pointing to something?
Like, how do you say this fruit in English?
Exactly. Native speakers love to help. You learn naturally in real life.
So it's like learning from experience.
Yes, and it's fun too. And the last phrase, thank you for your help.
That one is easy, but very important.
Yes, it shows kindness and respect. People remember when you say thank you.
So I can say, thank you for your help when someone explains something or gives directions.
Exactly. And you can also say, thanks a lot, or I really appreciate it.
It makes people happy to hear that.
Yes, politeness makes communication smoother everywhere in the world. Okay, let's practice together. If you're listening, repeat after us.
We'll say each phrase slowly. You can speak with us.
Phrase 1, could you please repeat that?
Could you please repeat that?
Great. Phrase 2, I don't understand. Could you explain that?
I don't understand. Could you explain that?
Excellent. Phrase 3, where is the...
Where is the...
Good job. Phrase 4, how do you say in English?
How do you say in English?
Nice. And the last one, thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Perfect. You did great.
Yes, and remember, don't just listen once. Practice these phrases every day.
That's right. The more you repeat, the more natural it feels. You'll speak with confidence in no time. Now, let's talk about how you can use these phrases in real life.
I use where is the when I travel. Like, where is the train station?
Good example. If you're a student, you can say, I don't understand. Could you explain that to your teacher?
And if you're working, you can use, could you please repeat that?
Exactly. These simple phrases help you in every situation, travel, school, or work.
They also make people feel you're polite and friendly.
Yes, people love when you try to speak their language kindly. It builds trust and friendship. So today we learned 5 everyday English phrases that are simple but powerful.
They help you speak, ask, and thank people with confidence.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Start small, but stay consistent.
Practice every day, speak a little, listen a lot.
And soon, you'll see big progress.
If you like this episode, please subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.
Yes, join us every week for new phrases and fun English practice. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.